everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a beach pour. I have an event coming up in a few weeks and I sold all my beach pours, so I need to make some up for that event. So this is a 16 by 20 oval canvas. I do have it taped in the back. Kind of give you an idea of what I've done with these. So here's another one I have prepared. I have it taped, and then I also have some cardboard in there to kind of reinforce it so it doesn't sag. One of them that I did with this shape, I did have an issue with it sagging, so hopefully I have enough in there to keep it from doing that. So hopefully. So I do have my sand down. I don't have resin on it yet. And I have my shells kind of picked out as what I want to do. Let me grab some gloves real quick. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I appreciate you guys' support for my channel. I'm a little over 900, so we're working our way up to that 1,000 so I can get monetized. So if you're new, I hope you guys will enjoy this and you will like and subscribe and share and comment. That all helps my channel and it's no cost to you. And if you would watch the full video, I have to get to 4,000 watched hours, and so that helps me with being able to get monetized, because you have to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watched hours. So I would appreciate that. All right, so I just put my sand down, and I just get the sand. It comes, it's like over, I got this from Michael's. It's kind of in the decorative filler department. I think like you can get this whole container for like $3.99 or something like that. So I have that down, and then I'm just gonna drizzle some clear resin on here. I'm trying it different just to kind of see if this will be good enough, or if I need to put the resin down first and then put my sand in, but we'll see. I've seen people do it so many different ways. I'm just trying to figure out which works best for me. Which I kind of think that putting the resin down first is going to be the best, because you're going to have to kind of go over it anyway. Add a little bit more sand to it. Alright, so I do have my colors all mixed up. I want to save some in here. Hopefully I have enough for my white. Oh, I need to get that. I'm using Eye Candy's pigments and paste. I'm using their paste for the white. It's Satori white, I think. Really a nice lot, really pigmented. All right, and then the colors that I'm going to use, I am using, for my darkest blue, I'm using Noken Blue from Eye Candies. It's a really beautiful deep blue. I'll show you what it looks like here. It's beautiful. Really deep, beautiful blue. And then the second blue that I'm using, this is Dark Ocean Blue. That'll be like here in the middle. And here's this one. I think I'm taking too long to get everything ready. It's getting a little warm. But look at how pretty that one is as well. I love Eye Candy's pigments. And this time I'm going to try a little bit more of a turquoisey blue towards my beach. And there's no way I'm going to be able to pronounce this. It's Okinawa blue. So it's really beautiful. I'll show you what that looks like here all mixed up. Isn't that pretty? All right, so let me put my gloves on. Hope everybody is having a good weekend. I'm doing this, it's Memorial Day today. So I hope you guys have been able to enjoy the day with your family and loved ones. It's kind of a special day for a lot of people who have lost a loved one. Right, so I'll put this one down. Just like to use my fingers to do this lightly through here and kind of blend the colors a little bit. Kind of, I don't know, I like to work with my hands. When I was a hairstylist, there would be a lot of times where people would be like, you need to put a glove on. Yeah, I know, but I make a bigger mess with the glove on. With this one, I'm trying to see. I have a bag of some mixed crystals, different stones. I'm just trying to find something that would be really pretty right there. This one would be pretty. Down Dalmatian Jasper. Yeah, that's pretty. So I think I'm gonna stop, and then with this one, I think I'm happy with how it is. My little starfish, I got them from Michael's as well. They're over by the face fillers and stuff. They came in a container like this. They smell. Every time I open them, and if I don't keep them up, Pink tries to get them because they smell like fish. But okay, I'm happy with this one. I will bring it down for a close-up so you can have a close look. All right, what do you guys think? You'll have to let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty. I like how these waves here are kind of going a little bit in both directions. Like if it, you know, was kind of a forceful wave up and then going back out again. I think that's cool. And then you can see all the different stones in there. That one's, I wish you could see how pretty that tiger's eye is. This one right here. I love tiger's eye. Got some rose quartz. And this one here is the Dalmatian Jasper, Sodalite, Howlite, rose quartz. I think that's a jade, or gosh, I can't think now. Let's see, look at that. I wish you could get the pretty shimmer off that tiger's eye. And some clear quartz, Howlite, rose quartz. Another jasper, a Dalmatian Jasper. They're kind of cool with the little polka dots. But you guys will tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you will come back and like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. I appreciate all your support, and your comments are so nice. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and just healthy in general. And yeah, keep being creative. Look at that, looks like a rising horse or something rearing up. But keep being creative. Bye.